Okay, so today it's gonna be removal of the steering wheel. It's really ugly and chewed up there, and then all of this. Gross. So my battery's completely, it's not even in the car, put it in the Prius, but your battery's disconnected. And over here, alright, then over here, can you see it? There we go. You're gonna have a T30 on this side, and then on this side. Hold up, sorry, I can zoom out. Yeah, so that's gonna be a T30. Hold up, you can see it right there. Ooh. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pop it out. That'll come out, and then we'll work on this part. Ooh. Whatever. Oh, hopefully this shit will fucking kill me. No! Holy shit. Woo! Alright, so I pretty much just lifted it up with a pick, boop, and then just pulled it out. That's how it is. Okay, and then that is a 19 mil. If you can see that, 19 mil. Yeah, this one doesn't matter. Oh, just gonna get that one. So now everything should come off. A little bit crooked. Damn, bitch. So that's what I was looking for. Yeah. It's the old one. And now the old one. Now this is the new one. Brand new. Thank you, eBay. Nothing wrong. Not messed up anywhere. Good. Brand new. Holy shit. But I need this piece. I bought some. So let's see how this all works. Okay, so dope. Okay, so that would be there. This would be there. Dope. So now, oh, I just don't want any of this to break. Uh-oh, I don't have that piece. Oh no. Okay, there we go. So that goes like that. Yes, sir. And then this one goes here. Ooh, yes sir. And there goes right there. Ooh. Okay, so now we're back. All right, so now no, that's there. Oh, thank God. There we go. Okay, that's on, that's on. Put this piece back on. And cut. Okay, so now we're back. This is all the buttons. Steering wheel I gotta use on Facebook, so I thought it'd be a lot better, but it's good enough. So now that's all black. It looks really good. The dash is gonna be next, but yeah. So it was a 19 mil nut over here. 1 T30 there. 1 T30 over here. So you can see this one easier. So there's one here, and then there'll be this one other one on the other side, and then a little ground cable, and then 2 more. So yeah, so it's gonna be one red, orange, and then one black, and then right here another ground cable. Take those out, you're good to go. And then torqued it to, it says 37, I think, foot-pounds. Torqued it to that. Whew. And then the old one is right here. I just had to use the screws, and then I had to use the cruise control lever, which is black. So that's one good thing that matched, thankfully. But yeah, I mean, if anybody wants a free steering wheel, it's all yours, but probably thrown away. So that's good. The buttons are good. So yeah, officially have a new steering wheel, thankfully.